what's up? It's Tommy Touge. It is dismally wet today. My favourite. And guess what? I've got Habib.
Hello.
What are we doing, Habib?
We are ripping out an Integra engine.
Why are we doing that?
For my shit Integra.
Life goals. But first, here's an important message from people that don't sponsor us. Snacks. You gotta take your Maximus. Always take Maximus from water. You always want to be hydrated, electrolytes. Club Orange, that one's special. We know what we're doing. Chocolate bars, also on special. Pringles. Let's have a word about Pringles. These little curved little chip things, delicious. This guy, kind of alright. Pringles, delicious. Original, because I'm a big old boring butthole. Sour cream and onion for someone a little bit taste. Now Jaffa cakes, you don't go past this. You don't go try and do stupid shit like this without Jaffa cakes. Always have snacks. What a gem. Digesters, $1.85. More for Woolworths. Get around it. Get around it. If not, just buy them anyway because they're delicious. So we're going for a really long drive to Mount Compass today. It's like 40 minutes, but whatever. So engine cone's already loaded up. We already got wet doing that. We went and looked at Lauren's car because she needs some stuff done. And yeah, I guess we're just going for a really long drive. Hopefully we don't get wet or get bogged, because he reckons he almost got bogged getting in there. So hopefully not, because that would really make me sad. But yeah, I guess you guys will see us in like an hour or something. Alright, we're back. Habib's jumped back in. We've abandoned the Starlet because it's a freaking torrential downpour. Road subject to flooding. No shit, it's a freaking creek. This is nuts.
It's pretty insane.
Hopefully this is all good. I'm a little bit worried.
Oh, it'll be fine.
That's why I don't want to bring the Starlet through here, because like it will just spin and get stuck. Hell yeah, boys. Scenic views.
This episode might be sponsored by Pringles.
Oh, Pringly boys. I reckon the curved chip can sponsor it.
I think they can.
I 100% know that this is definitely sponsored by lovingly loyal Pepsi Max. Let's test one now for refreshment. Smooth, refreshing taste. Alright, we're back. We have new friends. We have this pile of crap. The old owner flipped it. I hope you can hear me. It's raining like shit out here. You get wet as. But this thing's clean as shit. I'm a little sad because it's dead. Show them how it runs. Give them a test run. That should give me some motivation to make this rerun and not make me cry. Sheesh! It's clean, boys. You're keen, I'm keen. We're gonna use that to lift it. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good time. So we're gonna take the trailing arms out, get all this exhaust off, and then we'll fucking butcher that in, I guess. But you'll see more later. Alright, so we've been real fucking busy. The boys have started undoing all the loom and shit. We did the quick interior delete, just because full race car, you know. Shout outs to McDonald's and the previous owner for just leaving shit everywhere. Oh, check out this chip though, actually. This is an important thing to suss out. Now this here is a mouldy Macca's chip. Let's get some angle on it. She is still good. Still holds shape, just a little bit mouldy, you know? So that's probably pretty healthy. Probably consume some of that.
Give me $20 if you eat it.
I'm not eating that. You up for Viv? You keen?
No,
you keen for some salmonella and death?
No.
Neither. We left the back seat because someone tall's going to drive it. It should be G. But yeah, we've ripped out the trailing arms, done the lowering kit, done the wheel delete for maximum weight saving, you know. But yeah, now it's time to do some more crap up the front, get the K-frame out. The winning comment on this video will get this CD mailed to them by me. I'm taking it. Whoever wants an Avenged Sevenfold CD, it's probably alright, I don't know. I didn't check it, but it's yours. Someone comment something funny that makes me laugh and I'll send that to you. In the meantime, we're probably going to finish this now. Fucking hailing. This is crazy. Lovely weather to be doing a motor. So we're just undoing all the K-frame or sub-frame for you people. All the ABS lines, ABS sensors and speed sensors are out. The soft lines for the brakes are disconnected from the hard lines. I'm just going to undo some of the other bolts and get that ready. So just disconnecting the last few things from the top. And then yeah, we should have it out and about, boys. Alright, so the motor's dropped. Now it's time. Hell yeah. Keep coming. Bring the bucket down a little bit. Come in a little bit more. Yep. Stop there. Go up. Go down, she's caught. She's caught. Alright, we're back. So, we got the motor out, we got it on the trailer using the tractor. The subframe's there, engine crane we didn't need's gone back in, and now we're up to just moving the fucking old car out. So here we go. What a classic. See you, Integra. She's perfect. Bye, Integra. She's mint. That's an easy way to move a body. Fuck yeah. Alright, what's good? So, I'm just leaving now. Time's currently 5:15, so we've been here for like, I don't know, 6 hours or something mad. Managed to get the subframe out, rear trailing arms, all the brakes, bar the brake booster, we shouldn't need that. And obviously the motor. Originally the old owner was meant to keep the auto gearbox, but it was going to be a pain to split that and deal with drive shafts and hub nuts and stuff like that, so we didn't bother with that, but that's okay. Yeah, honestly, like, it didn't go too bad considering I've never dropped the subframe and the motor before, so that's the first time I've done that, which was nice. Only little snags with the autos, I noticed there's a second brace under the chassis, a second mount, which is pretty strange. I've never seen that on the manual ones, but maybe I'm wrong, I'll have a look later. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Obviously we got it done. Definitely wasn't my ideal method, some of it, but it is what it is. Like, in these situations, you gotta do what you gotta do. So Habib, you owe me one. You'll owe me one when I put the rest of it back together, but that's fine. But for now, I'm just gonna cruise back to Habibs. I got the trailer loaded, I got the engine crane back in there that I didn't need. Shouts to Warts for that one. Yeah, everything's back in there, so I'm just gonna have a victory ginger beer, because I don't drink, so let's have a victory ginger beer and drive home, and you'll see more of me and Habib's projects later, I guess. What's good, YouTube? It is currently 8:30. What a long day, but we got it. We made it back. there is V18, crap auto gearbox, engine crane, subframey things, trailing arms. Now I gotta rip this one out. However, this one I have to rip the motor out and then do some suspension and stuff, but that's fine. I can do that, it's fine. Don't worry about it. But that's it for today. We're done. So Tony's going to be smiling at some point when this works properly. And this one actually sounds sick. So I'm hyped. Sup, Evelyn? What do you reckon about the internet? You reckon it's good?
Pardon?
You reckon the internet was one of the best modern inventions ever?
Yes.
You heard it here first. Anyway.
Everyone approved.
This is an Evelyn approved engine. It runs sick. It runs real hype.
I've literally never seen one just like that. Just like...
Wait till you see it in daylight, you can actually see things. Because this sucks. This light sucks. Tony, we're adding more lights. I know you asked me about it, but I'm doing what I want. Screw you. I'm the light guy. You're just the guy that makes me do things, unfortunately. Thanks. Appreciate it. Top lad. But yeah, so we're going to get rid of this whole block piece of garbage and put this boat anchor in it instead. Much more enjoyable. Say bye.
No.
No. She doesn't want to say bye. She'll stay forever. Well, too bad, Evelyn. We're saying bye. Don't like this video. Comment so I can send you that CD. The funniest comment will get that Avenged Sevenfold CD. I actually took that. I don't know if I was meant to, but he kind of didn't stop me, so it's alright. Funniest comment will get that. Send me your address. And yeah, I don't know. Have a good day. I don't know. Rip something out with a tractor. I don't know. Do something cool.
Send it.
Send it. For reference.
Do you even see it?
Send it. Boom. Cool tattoo gang. Anyway, go send it, I guess.